Hello, welcome everyone. In today's video, a client brought in this old rotten counter table. He was already give up on it, but I told him let's give it a try. But deep down I knew this wasn't gonna be an easy task. Watch how I bring this old table back to life. First, I had to take it apart. I removed the top, the bottom and all the plywood, so I could get a good look at what we are working with. These nails can be dangerous if stepped on. I made sure to keep them away. After breaking it down, I removed the nails from the old planks used for shelves. Then I sanded them smooth with an angle grinder and smoothened out the main frame or skeleton as well. After sanding, I cut 2x2 pieces to fit inside the skeleton for extra strength. For the face, I used the dado joint to make a strong cross connection, making the front much more solid. When I began securing in more pieces, I pre-drilled holes to prevent the wood from splitting, and then secured all pieces with nails so it held nice and sturdy. Next, I grabbed some small pieces of scrap wood to use as cleats. I attached them to help hold the plywood firmly in place inside the table. Next, I cut the plywood into several smaller pieces so they could fit perfectly into those spaces we are reinforcing. At this point, power went out and they had to use a hand saw. It made the process slow and time consuming. After that, I secured them into the table with screws to hold everything together. Next, I cut some scrap laminated board to size 20 inches. Since I had one clamp, I made a simple homemade one from scrap wood to get the rest of the board glued up. Next, I brought in the planks I got from the shelves. and used a simple jig on my table saw to make them perfectly straight and then cut them all to the same size. Next, I joined those 3 planks to form a wider panel and used my main clamp to hold them tight, using nails as dowels. Quick reminder to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. It really helps out the channel. After clamping, I used small pieces of scrap wood to temporarily hold them in place while I removed the main clamp and moved on to other work. After that, I painted the whole table completely, covering the wood and plywood parts for a finished look. For the top, since my scrap wood wasn't wide enough, I used my ruler to cut a tongue and groove joint, interlocking these 2 planks to make the top wide enough to cover the whole table. After that, I cut those 3 planks I'd already joined to size 19 inches on my table saw, and then cut a notch on them so they could fit perfectly into the bottom of the table. Next, I also fit that shelf panel made from laminated scrap boards. Since orange didn't look great, I decided to spray red paint over it to make the whole table darker and get a better finish. My top panel was dry and trimmed off the dry overflowed glue, as well as resizing it. Next, I pre-drilled holes into the smaller pieces of wood attached to the frame so I could drive in screws from the bottom to keep them hidden. I also drove screws into the shelf and bottom to finish securing everything together. I finalized by trimming off those edges with my router. What started as a collection of mismatched scrap wood has been totally transformed into a beautiful finished counter table, screaming to be used for more 10 years. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more projects.